Today I want to share with you an incredibly powerful Wazifa, a supplication of Allah that can fulfill your every need and desire, inshallah, within seconds or minutes. The doors of closed destinies will open, and sustenance and wealth will flow into your life from such unexpected sources that you will be left astonished. Have faith in Allah, the Lord of Honor, and make this practice a part of your daily routine. You can recite it while walking, moving, or even just once if you prefer. However, I strongly advise making it a lifelong habit, a life-changing practice. My brothers and sisters, your fate will change in such a remarkable way that the world will take notice. Those who ignore or disregard you today will witness your transformation. If there are conflicts between husband and wife, and you wish to bring love and harmony between them, or if there are constant disputes at home, this supplication will be a source of peace. Any brother or sister struggling with childlessness, financial difficulties, or negative energies at home will find relief. Inshallah, all worries, illnesses, and hardships will vanish in an instant. This is such a powerful wazifa that if you recite Allahu Samad 35 times daily at the prescribed times, you will experience miraculous effects. However, it is essential to understand the proper method and timing for recitation, a source of wealth and prosperity. This supplication is a key to abundant wealth, and once you witness its impact, you will remember me in your prayers. I swear by Allah. It removes sorrow, hardship, and illness, and brings financial prosperity from the most unexpected places. Those who recite it will be amazed by its results. Many of my brothers and sisters have endured lifelong financial struggles, endless family disputes, and overwhelming debt. However, those who sincerely practice this wazifa saw their problems disappear like a miracle. If your debts remain unpaid and your troubles persist even after this, then come and tell me, the one and only wazifa you'll ever need. This is the wazifa of Allah. Once you adopt this practice, you will never need another supplication again in your life. You will never have to seek help from anyone. Before you extend your hand for assistance, try this wazifa and watch wealth and blessings pour into your life. Many sisters worry about marriage proposals not coming despite trying everything, including visiting religious scholars and spiritual healers. Many mothers fear for their daughter's future. This supplication will ensure the best proposals arrive. Married women who feel they are not valued or respected in their homes should also recite this. No matter what challenge you are facing, financial hardships, family conflicts, joblessness, or even serious illness, this practice will bring relief, inshallah. I once advised a sister who urgently needed 2 million in currency to recite this supplication. She read it at night, and by morning the necessary arrangements were made. I too was struggling with financial difficulties when I performed this wazifa, and Allah miraculously provided me with more than I needed. Many who were sick, troubled, or drowning in financial burdens have turned their lives around through this supplication. This is not an ordinary practice. It is tested and proven. No matter how big the problem, whether extreme poverty, unemployment, or financial ruin, this supplication will open doors to solutions beyond your imagination. A life-changing supplication. You can recite this anytime, but the best moments are immediately after Fajr, dawn, and Maghrib evening prayers. If you recite it at these times while sitting on the prayer mat, your worries will disappear within seconds or minutes. No matter how big your challenge is, if you perform this wazifa with complete faith, your circumstances will change miraculously. This is a tried and tested practice, bringing blessings and relief beyond imagination, for every need and every situation. If you desire children, recite this. If your children's marriages are delayed, recite this. If you're struggling with poverty or unemployment, recite this. If your business is not attracting customers, recite this, and your shop will be filled with people. This powerful practice brings wealth and relief. If you want financial stability and success, incorporate this wazifa into your life. You can recite it anywhere, while sitting at home, in your shop, at work, or even while traveling. What matters is consistency and sincerity. When reciting this wazifa, either make your intention at the beginning or pray for your need at the end. Then be ready to witness miracles. you will see provisions, sustenance, and blessings coming from the most unexpected sources. Don't just take my word for it. Try it today. Soon you will experience its power and confirm that this is truly an effective and life-changing practice. This practice is incredibly easy and quick. It takes only half a minute. You can recite it after Maghrib or Fajr or anytime during the day, at home, in the office, at the mosque, school, or university. Find a quiet place, sit down with a sincere heart, and recite it with firm belief in Allah Almighty. Do not recite it absent-mindedly or carelessly. Recite it with full faith, and you will witness immediate benefits. The immediate blessings. This is not a practice that requires months or years to show results. It works immediately. Wealth will enter your home. Your circumstances will change for the better. Happiness and prosperity will fill your life. The doors of sustenance and blessings will open. Financial success will come from unexpected sources. If you are tired of seeking help from others, if you are trapped in financial struggles, if one problem ends only for another to begin, if you feel burdened by endless worries and hardships, then try this practice just once. Every problem will be solved. Every need will be fulfilled. The best time to perform this powerful practice. There are two best times to perform this practice, and if you recite it at these times, the blessings will be immense. Millions of people have already transformed their lives through this practice. Setting your intention. Before you begin, make a clear intention for what you seek, whether it's urgent financial help, marriage for your children, resolution of family conflicts, or any other need. If you forget to make an intention at the beginning, pray for it at the end. Or do both. Make an intention at the start and pray again at the end. Once you begin this Wazifa, you can repeat it as many times as you like, but inshallah, you will witness results within a single day. Step-by-step guide to this practice. 1. Find a quiet place and sit down for just half a minute. 2. Complete the recitation in one sitting. Do not pause or break it. 3. Avoid stopping midway or postponing parts of it for later. 4. Once you start, complete it without interruption. The supplications to recite. Begin by reciting any Darud Sharif once. Bismi Allah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Surat Akhlas once immediately after that. Bisma Allah ar-Rahman ar-Rahmin. Surah Al-Kawthar once after reciting Surah Al-Kawathar, start reciting Ya Rahim Ya Rahim. 21 times after that recite Allahu Samad 35 times. In the end, read Darud Sharif once again. Final steps in prayer. After completing the practice, make a heartfelt prayer for your needs and desires. If you wish to seek permission to perform this Wazifa, write your name in the comments and like the video. May Allah bless you abundantly and grant you relief from all difficulties.